Hello and welcome back to the Marketing Automation module. In this lesson, we will review the process of creating a campaign from start to finish. For the campaign we create in this lesson, we will create a workflow where we will send an email to our customers notifying them of a summer sale. Then we will have a child activity in which another email is sent to customers that don't click on email links in the first email sent. The second email will notify customers that this is the last chance to take advantage of the summer sale before it ends. Let's begin by typing MAR and selecting the Marketing Automation icon. First, we will select New. Let's start from scratch. Press Create Campaign button and choose a name for our campaign. Let's title our campaign Summer Sale and select Mailing Contact as our target. Next, we will choose Unicity based on email. This will prevent the campaign contents from being sent to the same email twice in case we have duplicates in the system. Next, we will select Add New Activity. Let's name our first activity Summer Sale. The email activity type is already selected by default. Then we will choose our mailing template. We have a pre-configured mailing template called Summer Sale, so we will select that one. Let's say we want the first activity in the workflow to be triggered right after the sale starts, so we will select to trigger it 0 hours after the beginning of the workflow. This campaign is for a sale lasting for a certain duration of time, indicating the campaign will have an expiry date. Therefore, we will select the expiry tick box and cancel after 48 hours. This will prevent workflow actions from being executed a certain duration of time after the campaign starts. Next, we will select Save and Close. Now that we have the first activity in the workflow, let's select Add Child Activity. We want our child activity to be for recipients that did not click on links in the first summer email sent. Therefore, we will select the Not Clicked icon so that our child activity targets this group. We are taken to the same view as we were when creating our first activity. We will name this activity type Last Chance Summer Sale. Again, the activity type is already selected as email for us. We will choose a pre-configured mail template called Last Chance Summer Sale that notifies our recipients that the summer sale will be ending soon. Let's trigger this activity 24 hours after the email was not clicked by indicating 24 in the trigger field. In the activity field, we will indicate the first activity, as this new activity will be triggered after the first activity. Again, we will choose an expiry duration. This time we will select 24 hours and select the Save and Close button. Now that our workflow has been created, we see the activities displaying in chronological order. For the first activity, we see 0 hours displaying to the left, indicating that the first action will be executed 0 hours after the campaign is started. The next activity shows Not Clicked within 24 hours to the left. This indicates that the second action will be executed for recipients that did not click on the first email links after 24 hours. Before starting the campaign, we can test the campaign by selecting the Launch a Test button in the top left-hand corner. Then we will be prompted to select a contact to test with. We will select Mitchell Admin, an internal user, and launch. Then we can test each activity in the campaign by using the Play button. By checking the email inbox associated with Mitchell Admin's contact, we could see how the email appears for each email activity in the workflow. Well, that's it. You have now learned how to create a marketing automation campaign. Why don't you test your knowledge by doing the quiz? Thank you for watching, and until next time.